Hi children, warm wishes from me. I welcome you all to the biozoology classes. Let us begin with Unit 1. The Unit 1 includes 3 chapters. Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms. Chapter 2, Reproduction in Human. Chapter 3, Reproductive Health. Let us start with Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms. This chapter includes the modes of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Let us go into the definition of reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which an organism produces new individuals of its own kind. Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all living organisms. It is a basic biological process where each organism produces their young ones. The young ones grow and mature to repeat the process. Thus, reproduction results in continuation of species and introduces variations in organisms, which are essential for adaptation and evolution of their own kind. There are some basic features of reproduction, like synthesis of RNA and protein, replication of DNA, cell division and growth, formation of reproductive units to bring about fertilization and form new individuals. There are two modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Reproduction by a single parent without gamete formation is called as asexual reproduction. Here, the offsprings produced are genetically identical. Sexual reproduction. Here, two types of parents participate in the reproductive process involving fusion of two types of gametes. Now, let us go into the elaborate study of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction occurs by mitotic or amitotic division of somatic cells. What are somatic cells? Somatic cells are the body cells. All the cells of our body other than reproductive cells are called as somatic cells. Hence, it is also called as somatogenic or blastogenic reproduction. The offsprings produced by asexual reproduction show uniparental inheritance without any genetic variation. Asexual reproduction is common among lower group of organisms like Protista, bacteria, archaea, and some of the simple multicellular organisms. Let us go into the different types of asexual reproduction. The different types of asexual reproduction are fission, sporulation, budding, gemule formation, fragmentation, and regeneration. Fission is the division of the parent body into two or more identical daughter individuals. There are different types of fission. Binary fission, example Euglena, multiple fission, example Plasmodium, sporulation, example Amoeba, strobulation, example Aurelia. Let us go into the first kind of asexual reproduction, the binary fission. In binary fission, the parent organism divides into two halves and each half grows into an individual organism. There are different types of binary fission based on plane of division. They are simple irregular binary fission, transverse binary fission, longitudinal binary fission, oblique binary fission.